Hi, my dear second class children. Good morning. Welcome to maths class. We completed 2 chapters. Now we are in chapter 3, subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Subtraction. We take away small number from the big number. That means big number minus small number. We subtract small number from the big number. Okay. Minus is symbol for subtraction. The result of subtraction is called difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Difference. Next, subtraction facts. The rules in the subtraction. When we subtract 0 from a number, the number does not change. That means the value of the number does not change. The answer goes to same number. I show you examples. See, 7 minus 0. The difference is 7. 13 minus 0. The difference is 13. The value does not change. 28 minus 0. The difference is 28. 89 minus 0. The difference is 89. 155 minus 0. The difference is 155. This is the rule in the subtraction. This is going to, when we subtract 0 from a number, the result is same number. Result means difference. Next one, when we subtract 1 from a number, are you understood this concept? Number minus 0, same number. Now, when we subtract 1 from a number, the answer is, the difference is before number of the given number. Let us see that example. 5 minus 1. We subtract 1 from 5. That means 5 before 4. 5 before 4. 16 minus 1. We subtract 1 from 16. The difference is 15. 39 minus 1. The difference is 39 before 38. 84 minus 1. The difference is 84 before 83. 196 minus 1. The difference is 195. Here the rule goes to, when we subtract 1 from a number, the difference is before number of the given number. 5 before 4. 16 before 15. 39 minus 1, 38. 84 minus 1, 83. 196 minus 1, 195. Next, third one. We subtract number from itself. That means we subtract number minus same number. The difference is 0. Very good. Let us see. 6 minus 6. We subtract number from itself. Number from itself. Number minus same number. Answer is 0. 12 minus 12. What is the difference? 0. 38 minus 38. 0. 79 minus 79. Difference is 0. 112 minus 112. Difference is 0. Okay? We subtract number from itself. The difference is 0. Number minus 0. Sorry. Number minus same number 0. 12 minus 12. 0. 38 minus 38. 0. 79 minus 79. 0. 112 minus 112. 0. These three are rules in the subtraction. Number minus 0, same number. Number minus 1, before number of the given number. Number same number, the difference is 0. Okay? How do you get difference? By subtraction. Difference equal to big number minus small number. Difference equal to big number minus small number. We take away small number from big number. In this chapter already you learned subtraction of 1-digit number from 2-digit number, 2-digit number from 2-digit number without regrouping. Okay? Next, subtraction of 1-digit number from 2-digit number, 2-digit number from 2-digit number with regrouping. Next one, subtraction of 1-digit number from 3-digit number, 2-digit number from 3-digit number without regrouping. Next, verifying subtraction using addition. Verifying means we are going to check our answer is correct or wrong. Okay? Next one, word problems. What are the words we are going to using when we are doing subtraction word problems? Subtract, remaining, left, how much more, how much less. Okay, Nana? These words you find the difference. These words are using for subtraction word problems. First, now I am going to show what we are learned in this chapter. Once again I revise. After that today's class goes to word problems. Okay, my dear children? Do you learn tables, ma? 8th table. Yes, very good. Table of 8. Okay. Now I am going to show what you are learned. Come on, look at the examples. You practice in your homework book. 88 minus 3. We subtract 1-digit number from 2-digit number. 1-digit numbers 1 to 9. 2-digit numbers 10 to 99. 3-digit numbers 100 to 999. Start from ones place. First number is 2-digit number. 2-digit number is more than 1-digit number. Start from ones. 8 minus 3. 8 is greater than 3. Subtraction is possible. Close fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 5. Here you have to follow close fingers. 3 after lower number to upper number. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. The difference is 5 right in the ones place. Here no tens. That's why write same number in the tens column of the answer. Now the difference is 85. Understood? Next one. 73 minus 9. Here also we subtract 1-digit number from 2-digit number. Are you seeing the numbers clear? 73 minus 9. Here also start from ones place. Okay? 73 is more than 9. See, here 3 is less than 9. It is not possible. Then borrowing concept. One number moving from tens place to ones place. One number moving from tens place to ones place. That means left to right. Then 3 changes into 13. 7 changes into 6. Now 13 is greater than 9. Subtraction is possible. Close fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 4. Right in the ones place. Now come to tens. Second number having no tens. Then here 7 changes into 6. Then bring down 6. Right in the answers place. Now the difference is 64. 73 minus 9, 64. Another one. 95 minus 35. Both are 2-digit numbers. 95 minus 35. Ones place, tens place. Start from ones. Number minus same number 0. Very good. Now tens. 9 minus 3. Close fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6. 9 minus 3, 6. The difference is 60. 95 minus 35, 60. We subtract 2-digit number from 2-digit number. Are you understood the concept? Once again check. First one is subtract 1-digit number from 2-digit number. Second one, we subtract 1-digit number from 2-digit number with regrouping, without regrouping. Subtract 2-digit number from 2-digit number. Yes, without regrouping. Another one. 84 minus 56. Both are 2-digit numbers. Start from ones place. Okay? Ones place. 4 minus 6. 4 is less than 6. Subtraction is not possible. Then using borrowing concept. One number moving from tens place to ones place. Then 4 changes into 14. 8 changes into 7. When we are going to using borrowing concept, at a time you have to change tens place number and ones place number. Here the number moving from tens to ones. Now 14 is greater than 6. Subtraction is possible. Close fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8. Now 7 minus 5. Close fingers. 5 after 6, 7. The difference is 2. Now 84 minus 56, 28. 84 minus 56, 28. Another example. This is going to with regrouping. 90 minus 66. Ones place, tens place. We subtract 66 from 90. 0 is less than 6. Subtraction is not possible. One number moving from tens to ones. Then 0 becomes 10. 9 changes into 8. Understood? If 0 is in the ones place, using borrowing concept, then 0 changes into 10. 9 changes into 8. Now 10 minus 6 is possible. Close fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 4. Now tens. 8 minus 6. Again close fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 2. The difference is 24. Okay, this is going to subtraction of 2-digit number from 2-digit number using borrowing concept. Next one. Subtraction of 1-digit number from 3-digit number. 179 minus 5. See, 3-digit number. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 5 is 1-digit number. That's why 5 right in the ones place below 9. Below 9. Okay, this is the correct arrangement of the numbers. Okay. Now start from ones. 9 is greater than 5. Subtraction is possible. Close fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. Right in the ones place. Now come to tens. Second number is single digit number, no tens. Then bring down same number. No hundreds, bring down same number. The difference is 174. 179 minus 5. Here we subtract 5 from 179. The difference is 174. Take away 5 from 179 means we are going to arrange the numbers like this and find the difference. 5 less than 179. Also do working like this. Next one. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers from 3-digit numbers. 685 minus 40. 685 is 3-digit number. 40 is 2-digit number. That's why we write 40 in the tens column, in the ones column. Don't start from hundreds column. 2-digit means tens and ones. Now start from one subtraction. 5 minus 0. Number minus 0, same number. Tens. 8 minus 4. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. Now second number having no hundreds. Then bring down first number hundreds right in the answer place. Now the difference is 645. 645. We subtract 40 from 685. Another one. 5 less than 85. 5 less than 85 means 85 minus 5. 85 minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Bring down 8. The difference is 80. Arrangement of numbers like this. This is big number. This is small number. In the same way, take away 5 from 85. That is also same method. See that one also. Take away means subtraction. Take away 36 from 96. Take away 36 from 96. What do you mean by take away? Subtraction. That means we subtract 36 from 96. Given numbers are 36, 96. Which number is big? 96. The word from after the number comes, that is big. 96 right in the first place. 36 right below. 96 like this. And put the symbol minus. Start from ones. 6 minus 6, 0. 9 minus 3. Close fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6. The difference is 60. Take away 36 from 96. Subtract 36 from 96. 96 లో నుంచి 36 ని subtract చేయండి. Understood? Next one, verifying subtraction using addition. First do the subtraction, after that verify. 589 minus 224. This is the given subtraction. First find out the difference. How do you get the difference? By subtraction. We start from ones place, next tens, next hundreds. 9 is greater than 4. Subtraction is possible. Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. Right in the ones place. Now subtract tens. Close fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6. Now subtract hundreds. 5 minus 2. Close fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 3. We get difference 365. This is going to subtraction. Now we are going to verify the answer. What is the answer? What is the difference? 365. Here write verify. 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 Excuse me. Verify. Verify means check the difference. We get 365. Write first 365. What is the second number? 224. Right? Second number below the 365. Here in the verification we are using addition. Very good. In the verification we are using addition. Then what is the symbol for addition? Plus. Here put the symbol plus. Start from here. 5 plus 4, 9. Very good. 6 plus 2, 8. Very good. 3 plus 2, 5. What is the first number? 589. We got 589. That means our subtraction is correct. This is going to verifying subtraction using addition. First done the subtraction, we get difference. Next goes to verification. In the verification, we take difference and second number. We should be added these two numbers. We get bigger number. We get bigger number. Then our process is correct. Next one goes to word problems. Take away means subtract. Less than means subtract. Find the difference, subtraction. Okay, now we are going to test book. We already completed exercise 3A. Exercise 3B also done yourself. Page number 45. Exercise 3B, page number 45. Next, exercise 3C also yesterday I gave. Subtract and do verification. Okay, subtraction and verification. Now we are going to test book word problems. Exercise 3D. Exercise 3D. See, 38 less than 159 is do the subtraction and then verifying using addition. Take away 77 from 178. Those two we are completed. Okay, these two we are completed. See, solve the following and verify by using addition. First do the subtraction, we get difference. Difference write in the verification. Difference write in the first place. Second number write below the difference and add those two numbers. We get first number. Here also take away 77 from 178 means 178 minus 77. Find the difference and do verification. Okay children, now come to third one. Out of 76 toffees, third one. Out of 76 toffees, chocolates, the teacher, you see in your textbook, distributed, the teacher distributed. This is going to textbook question. Exercise 3D. 54 toffees, chocolates. How many toffees or toffees left? How many toffees were left? This is the given question. Third one. Once again, out of 76 toffees means total toffees. The teacher distributed 54 toffees. The teacher taken some chocolates. She is going to distribute the children. Then how many toffees were left? Left is the subtraction board. How to write the answer? Leave a line and write the answer. I send you notes through WhatsApp. You listen. Out of 76 toffees means total number of toffees. Then the number of toffees. Toffees. How many she having? 76. The teacher distributed 54 toffees. Number of toffees distributed. That means she given to children. How many she is going to distribute it? Already she distributed. How many? 54. Right? 54 below 74. Third one, number of toffees left. Number of toffees were left. Left means remaining toffees. Total toffees are 76. Number of toffees distributed equal to 54. Number of toffees were left. Left is the subtraction mode. That means we get the answer by subtraction of 76 minus 54. We subtract 54 from 76. Why? 76 is big number, 54 is small number. Okay, Nana? Word problems means we are going to write the answers like this. This is going to number of toffees, all the toffees. In that toffees, she distributed 54. How many left? That means remaining toffees. Start from 1, 6 minus 4. Put the symbol minus. A bracket, a small bracket. Okay? Close fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 2. 10, 7 minus 5. Close fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 2. How many toffees are left? 22. How many toffees are left? 22. This is going to exercise 3D, third sum. Okay? Next goes to fourth one. Okay, Nana? Come on, see. Now, ready, Nana? Next, same exercise. Exercise 3D, fourth sum. I am going to explain. You listen carefully. Afterwards, write the answer. Okay? Can I write the question? Come on, children. I am going to read the question. You see in your textbook. There were 93 cars parked. How many cars? 93 cars parked in the car parking area. In the car parking area. 48 of them are blue cars. How many blue cars? 48 of them are blue cars. And the rest were all red cars. Rest means remaining cars. That means 93 cars, red color cars and blue color cars both are there. And the rest were all red cars. How many red cars were there? That means 93 cars means blue and red. Blue cars and red cars. We know the number of blue cars, but we don't know the number of red cars. Rest were all red cars. Rest means remaining cars are red color. Here we find out number of red cars. Here we get the answer by subtraction. Now write the answer. Total number of cars or number of cars. Total number of cars. How many are there? How many are parked in the parking area? First number 93. In 93, 48 are blue cars. Second step, number of blue cars. Blue cars. How many blue cars we are going to underline? See 48, right? 48 below 93. 93. Now we find out number of red cars. Rest or red cars means remaining or red cars. Number of red cars. How do you get the answer, my dear children? Yes, very good. By subtraction. Put the symbol minus. We subtract 48 from 93. 48 from 93. 3 is less than 8. Subtraction is not possible. Then using borrowing concept, one number moving from tens to ones. Then 3 changes into 13, 9 changes into 8. Now 13 minus 8, close fingers, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5. Write in the ones place. Next tens, 8 minus 4, close fingers, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. How many red color cars? 45. We get the answer by subtraction. Here using borrowing concept. Understood? Question and answer. After the question, leave a line and write. Come on, see the question and answer. Total number of cars. Total number of means blue and red color cars. Number of blue cars 48. Here we get the number of red cars by the subtraction. Next question, my dear children. Fifth question. I am going to read the question first. See in your textbook, Nana. Out of 165 roses at the florist shop. Florist shop means flower shop. How many roses are there? 165 roses. 54 roses were red. How many red roses? 54. You have to underline in your textbook. 165 roses in the flower shop. 54 roses were red. That means in roses, red color and other color also there. That is going to, the rest of the roses were pink. What is the another color? Pink. How many roses were pink? Here we find out number of pink roses. First one, 165 goes to total number of roses. In that roses, 54 are red roses. Now we find out pink roses. How do you get number of pink roses? Yes, rest of the roses means left roses, remaining roses. Okay? Here we are going to find the answer by subtraction. Okay, children? Are you see the question in your textbook? I write a question on the board. Okay? Let us see board. Come on, children. Out of 165 roses, write the answer. Leave a line. 165 roses at the florist shop, flower shop. 54 roses were red. Here we find out pink roses. Rest of the roses were pink. That means write the answer. Total number of roses. Total number of roses. What is the first number given in the question? 165. 3-digit number. In that 54 roses were red. Write second step. Number of red roses. Number of red roses. How many red roses? 54. 54 is 2-digit number. 2-digit means tens and ones, right below 6 and 5. Now next one is number of pink roses. We get the number of pink roses by subtraction. Here we take away 54 from 165. Put the symbol minus. Start from ones. 5 minus 4. Yes, 1. Close fingers. 4 after 5. 1. Next tens. 6 minus 5. Close fingers. 5 after 6. 1. 54 having no hundreds. Then bring down hundreds number as it is. Now number of pink roses are 111. How many pink roses? 111. Number of pink roses equal to 111. How do you get the answer? By subtraction. Come on, write neatly. Total number of roses equal to 165. Number of red roses equal to 54. Arrange the numbers correctly. First number is 3-digit number. Second number is 2-digit number. Number of pink roses equal to 111. Go to next one. Ready? Come on. Take your textbook. See in your textbook. In a school, there were 156 chairs and 41 tables. How many more chairs were there than tables? Here given comparison. Comparison between number of chairs and number of tables. Okay. Here also we are going to using subtraction. Now write the question. Come on children. Look at the board. In a school, there were 156 chairs, underline, and 41 tables. Number of chairs, number of tables. How many more chairs were there than tables? Here we are going to compare number of chairs and number of tables. How many more chairs? That means which are more in these two chairs? How many more mean? How many more means? We here also we are using subtraction. Write the answer. Ready? Number of chairs. Chairs are more. That's why first take chairs. Number of chairs equal to 156. Second one. Number of tables. Number of tables. How many tables? Yes, equal to 41. 41 is 2-digit number. Write in tens and ones. Now find out number of more chairs. We get the number of more chairs by subtraction. Number of more chairs than tables. Number of more chairs. Chairs are more. How many more? Find the answer by subtraction. That's why put the symbol minus. Okay? Start from ones. 6 minus 1. Number minus 1 before number of 6. 6 before 5. Next 5 minus 4. Close fingers. 4 after 5. 1. Here no hundreds number. That's why bring down this number. Now more number of chairs equal to 115. Here we are going to compare number of chairs and number of tables. Number of chairs are more. We find out number of more chairs by subtraction. 156 minus 41, 115. This is going to our textbook exercise 3D. Okay Nana, we completed this and you practice these word problems and learn table of 8. Okay, take care, bye.